Turn those jobless villagers into the backbone of your Minecraft economy by transforming them into master farmers. First, you'll need to locate an unemployed villager. These are the ones without a profession and no job site block nearby. Then, you'll need a composter. You can craft the composter with 8 stair blocks arranged in a circle around an empty middle slot in your crafting table. Once you have your composter, simply place it on the ground near your chosen unemployed villager. They will then recognize it as their job site block. Watch as they claim the composter and become a farmer. You'll see their attire change to a distinct brown outfit, signaling their new profession. Now that you have a farmer, they'll get to work growing and harvesting crops like wheat, carrots, and potatoes. If you provide them with enough harvestable crops, they will also begin to breed, increasing your village's population and workforce. And the best part, farmers offer valuable trades. They'll exchange their harvested crops for emeralds, and in return, you can buy bread, golden carrots, and other farm-fresh goods. With a few well-placed composters and some happy villagers, you'll quickly establish a booming agricultural economy for your Minecraft world. Let's grow this economy.